K3. Good morning, K3. Okay, good morning. So today, it's another week. So before we start our lesson, can you tell teacher what day today? What day today is, K3? Today is what?
It's Monday.
Okay, it's Monday. Very good. How about Sarah? What day today is, Sarah?
Monday.
Monday. Very good. How about Rangsai? What day today is, Rangsai?
Morning, teacher.
Good morning, Ratana. Okay, Monday. How about Satirat? Satirat, what day today is?
Monday.
Monday. Very good, Katie. How about Eliza? Eliza, can you tell teacher what day today is?
Monday.
Okay, Monday. How about Ratana? Ratana, can you tell teacher? Okay, it's Monday. Okay, so since we are Monday, today is Monday. Can you, let's recall the words that we learned last week. So what are the sounds that we learned last week, K3? What were the sounds? The PL, or what is the sound of PL? What is the sound of PL, K3? How about Sarah? Can you tell teacher what is the sound of PL? How about Ratana? Can you tell teacher what is the sound of PL? P and very good, Ratana. Pla, pla, pla. How about Rangsai? Can you tell teacher Rangsai what is the sound of PL? Rangsai. Rangsai. What is the sound of PL, Rangsai? Okay, very good, Sarah. How about Mungkul? Mungkul, can you tell teacher what is the sound of PL? Mungkul? What is the sound of PL? I can't hear you, Mungkul. Okay, very good. So we have the pla. And let us remember the words that we learned with a PL initial sound. K3, do you remember what is this one, K3?
Plane.
Okay, plane. Very good. How about this one? What is this one? Plant. Very good. How about Sarah? Can you tell teacher what is this, Sarah?
Plane.
Plant. How about Rangsai? Rangsai, can you tell teacher what is Rangsai? What is this, Rangsai? It's a plant. Rangsai. Sai. Setiret. What is this, Setiret? It's plant. How about Ratana? Ratana, can you? Okay, plant. Okay. Very good, Ratana. And this is a plane, correct? How do we spell plane again? How do we spell plane? PL what? Mungkul, I can't hear you. PLA. PLA what? Oh, double S? Is it double S? No. What is the spelling of plane? E3?
Plane.
L-A. What is the next letter?
N.
N. In letter?
Huh?
What's the next letter?
T.
Oh, is it T? Letter? What letter? Letter E. Okay, this is how we spell plane. Ratana, can you spell plane? Very good. How about Sarah? Sarah, can you spell plane? I can hear only N-E again, Sarah. P-L. L. N. E. Very good. How about Rangsai? Rangsai. Where is Rangsai? How about Mungkul? Spell plane. Very good, Mungkul. How about Sitiret? Can you spell plane? Okay, P-L-A-N-E. Very good, K3. How about Eliza? Eliza, can you spell plane? Dear. P-L. P-L-A-N-E. How about Rangsai? Rangsai, can you spell the word plane? Rangsai, can you hear me?
Plane.
Okay, Rangsai, can you spell the word plane? It's P L A N E. Okay, very good, Rangsai. It's a plane. The next one is the plant. How do we spell plant? How do we spell plant, K3? How do we spell plant?
អ្នកគួរ spell នៅនេះអអីមាននេះដើមនេះគេក៏មកស្គាល់ដែរដើមតកោ P L O Plan này.
Okay, so K3, this is, what is this? It's a plant. Okay, very good. It's a plant. Oh, there, Morakot. Ratana, can you spell the word plant? Very good. How about Morakot? Can you spell the word plant?
P-L-A-N-T.
Very good, Morakot. How about okay, how about Sarah? Can you spell plant? P-L-A-N-T. Okay, very good, Sarah. That is plant. How about Rangsai? Can you spell the word plant? Rangsai. Okay, very good. How about Mungkul? Mungkul, can you spell the word plant? Mungkul? Yes, please. Again, T. K3, what letter is this? What letter is this, K3? T. Again, letter T. How about this one? Letter T. Okay, and this is letter. What letter is this one, K3? P. Very good, Sarah. Again, Sarah, this is letter again T. T. Okay, very good. And this one, Sarah, what is this?
Now the cool.
Okay, very good. This is T and this is P. Okay. How about Ratana? Ratana, what letter is this one?
Thấy mặt bắt từ sẵn nó quay rồi.
How about this? Again? T. Okay, very good. Mungkul. Mungkul, what letter is this one? Mungkul? And how about this one?
I like tea.
Mungkul?
P.
Is this letter P? Is it letter P? T. Again, K3, this is letter T. Okay, not letter P. Next. Morakot. Morakot, what letter is this Morakot?
Ta xoay được khủ mấy.
Again? No. P. Okay, and this is letter T. Okay, how about Rangsai? Rangsai, what letter is this? Again, P. And this is T. Okay. Okay, K3. Again, K3, what letter is this one? T. Again, T. T. Okay. And the other one is P. Close your mouth. P. Okay, and the other one is T. Okay, Sarah, what are the two letters, Sarah, that we studied? The P and T. How do you say P? Sarah? Okay, very good. How about this one?
Spider-Man.
Okay, very good, Sarah. T. How about Ratana? What letter is this one, Ratana? Again? How about say the word, the letter P?
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Spider-Man.
Teteret. What is that, Teteret? Okay, how about Mungkul? Mungkul? What letter is this, Mungkul?
P.
Is it letter P? Again, Mungkul, look at teacher. T.
P.
You smile first and then you say T. Okay, and the other one is P.
P.
Oh, very good. Next, Morakot. What letter is this one, Morakot?
P is for Spider-Man.
Is it P? Again, and T. T, not P. Okay? And when we say P, we will say like this one. We will open our mouth and close it. P. Okay, K3? K3 forgot every day, forgot the P and T. Okay, the next one, do you remember what is this one? When you eat, what do you call this one? It's a... What is this?
What is this?
What is this? It's a plate.
Plate.
Again,
Plate.
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 Wrong side, repeat after teacher, plate.
Plate.
Mungkul, repeat after teacher, plate.
Plate.
Very good. Morakot, plate.
Plate.
Again, Morakot. Okay, plate. Very good. Next, wrong side, repeat after teacher, plate. Wrong side.
Yes.
Can you say yes?
Plate.
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 Okay, next. Bot. Can you say it, bot? Plate.
Plate.
Very good. How about Ratana? Plate.
Plate.
How about Satiret? What is this, Satiret? Very good. Elisa, what is this? Okay, plate. Very good, K3. How do we spell plate? How do we spell plate? P-L-A. T-E. Very good. So, plate spelled as P-L-A-T. Can you write the word plate in your board, K3? Write the word plate on your board, please. Can you write the word plate on your board, K3?
Plate.
Okay. Write the word plate on your board.
Plate. Mày bơm ở đây.
Okay, finish.
Oh,
Not yet. Why is it not yet?
I don't know.
Why? Why is it Rotana? Tell the word plate. Write it on your boards. Okay, finish K3.
I don't want to see. See.
P-L. Okay,
I finish.
very good. Rotana. Okay, the word is plate.
I
Okay,
don't
can
want
I see your boards, K3? Can I see your boards? Let me see if you write the word correctly, plate. Okay, let me write this one for you. Can I see? Okay, very good, Mungkul. How about the others?
Teacher,
Can I see?
have you one?
Okay, this is the word plate. Can you see? Can you see?
Yeah.
P-L-A.
Teacher, my hat.
Okay, Mungkul. Wow, your hands are big. Okay, Morakot, that is not a plate. That is PT. It's PL. PL. Taste. What is that, Morakot? Again, this is a plate. Can you see K3, right? So we have the PL. Morakot, that is H. P-H-A-S-T-E. Again, P-L-A-T-E. Okay, can I see?
I don't know.
Sarah dear, are you done? Okay, I will write it here. Look at the word or the spelling of the word plate. Okay, can you see? Plate. K3?
I know, teacher. I can
Okay,
draw like teacher.
only Mungkul and Ratana are very good. How about the others?
I can draw.
Okay, very good, Seteret. That is plate. How about Sarah? Okay, very good, Sarah. How about Eliza? Eliza?
Con sẽ tam phụ tư thì sẽ tam phụ nó bị y khá mẹ sao y khá mơ mớ
Okay, I mean Rangsai.
Cho hòa lên nhắn cho thử ấy.
Okay, Eliza.
Này,
Very
check,
good, Eliza. How about Rangsai? Rangsai is not here. Rangsai, can you write the word plate? Okay, Morakot. Very good. How about Bot and Rangsai? Bot and Rangsai. Write the word plate on your boards. K3. Okay, K3. Oh, now let's move on. Okay. Ratana, spell the word plate.
Plate.
Very good, Ratana. How about Mungkul? Spell the word plate. PL what? Okay. PLATE. How about Eliza? Spell the word plate. PLATE. Okay, how about bot? Spell the word plate. Bot. How do you spell plate, bot? PL. Okay, that's it, Ratana. ATE. Okay, very good. Next, Sarah, can you spell the word plate? Sarah, dear, how do you spell the word plate? PL ATE. Okay, very good. Okay, everybody, please be quiet, okay? Please be quiet. Sarah, tell teacher what is this one?
Đang xài.
Sarah, what is this?
Plate.
Oh, very good. It's a plate. How about Ratana? Ratana, what is this one?
Plate.
Plate. How about Morakot? Morakot, what is this?
Plate.
Plate. Very good. How about Rangsai? Rangsai, what is this, Rangsai?
Plate.
Plate. How about bot? Bot? Where are you? It's a plate. Bot? Plate. How about Eliza? What is this? Okay, how about Seteret? What is this one? Plate. Okay. Okay, Sarah. Sarah will be the first one. Sarah, tell teacher what is this one?
Plane.
Plane. Very good. How about this one?
Plate.
It's a. What is this? Again, plant. And the next one here is plate.
Plane.
Okay, next, Ratana. Ratana, what is this one?
Plane.
Plane. And how about this?
Plate.
Is it a plate?
No.
What is this? Plant. And the last one here is
Plate.
Plate. Very good, Ratana and Sarah. Next, Mungkul. Mungkul, what is this one?
Plane.
Okay, how about the second one here? Mungkul, what is this? Mungkul, can you hear me?
Don't know.
Plant.
Plant.
And the next one is? What is the last one, Mungkul?
Plate.
Plate. Very good. Morakot. Morakot, what is this?
Thing.
How about this one? Look.
Plant.
And the next one here is?
Plate.
Very good, Morakot. Next, bot. Bot, can you tell teacher what is this one? Bot? What is this?
Plane.
Sarah? Quiet. Only bot. Okay. The next one is? What is this bot? Bot. Plant. And the next one is? Bot. What is this bot? Plate. Okay. Next. Eliza. Eliza. What is this one, Eliza?
Xe miền xe ban ở phía sau màu này.
Plane.
Xe ban pin những ăn mừng giảm phía nó ngập.
Eliza. Please pay attention, Eliza. Listen to teacher. Plane. Plant. Plate. Next, Rangsai. Where is Rangsai? Okay, Rangsai. What is this one? Rangsai, what is the first one here? Plane.
Plane.
Plant. Plant. Plate. Okay. Okay, K3. Get your notebooks. Notebooks. Get your notebooks and write the word plate on your notebooks. K3. Get your notebooks in phonics and write the word plate. Your orange notebook with white patch.
Phonics.
Yeah, phonics.
Oh!
Okay, write in your notebooks and then send it to the Telegram if you are finished.
Yên là chập ra chăm giây.
Okay, write it on your notebook. K3.
Vì anh khai này mấy cái xe ạ.
Yes.
Daddy, don't know then.
Don't know what? Plane or the plate? The plate is the one you use when you eat. You put the rice inside the plate and then you need to eat that one. That is 3, Rosana. We're done with number 3.
double E. THR bằng thứ tư. Cho mơ rơ con. Chà liêu quạt ngã.
Hóa ba. Xây kịch này. Okay, tập cách nên lục chào. H4, double E, that is a 3.
Cho go home.
You are at home. How will you go home in the first place? You are at home.
We can go home.
I will go
Con go
home.
home. Con không phải go home. Bụng con go home. Bụng con go home.
Okay, K3, please write.
Họ sẽ động viên
Not.
buôn đông mà. Tiếp lại tạm môi tới
Plate.
Let nó tập bài đàn.
Double F.
What is the 13, 14.
Con tin dùng sai được các cô ấy.
Tập đọc.
Finish. Can you take a photo of that one and send it to the Telegram? Can I see? Wait. Can I see Ratana?
Yeah.
Okay. Very good, Ratana. How about the others? How about the others? Close the book. Close your notebook. Close your notebook. Very good, Ratana. How about the others?
No.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
In video. Đặt lấy hai.
Okay, finish, Morakot. Again, K3, send it to the Telegram. K3, I want you to see this one. Ratana, send your works in Telegram. Can you see Ratana? Like this one. Your classmates, send it to me. And this, can you see Ratana? You can send here. So the
Like that.
and check it. Okay, this one is example for Mungkul. This is Mungkul's work. So Mungkul is very good because Mungkul circled or answered these correctly. So for those who doesn't send their homework, their worksheets, please send it to the Telegram so that I can check it. Okay? Okay, very good, Morakot. Okay, here. Okay, like this one too. Okay, K3. Send it to the Telegram so that I can check it. Okay, but
What?
you are not writing but every day. You are just looking at teacher.
Look.
You need to write. Practice your writing. Red, are you finished? Okay. Everybody is finished. Okay, if you are finished later, send it to the, okay, very good, Rangsai, but please write that one on your notebook as much as possible, okay? That's all for today, K3. What word we learned today? What word?
A.
Plate. How do we spell plate again?
THR double E.
Is it THR double E? Okay, very good. Very good, Red. The PLATE E. Okay, that's all for today, K3. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, goodbye. See you later. Okay, Ratana. Okay, take a photo and send it to teacher, okay?